Okay, every time that I pass by, this happened. Let me show you. Well, for my birthday, my mother gave me this beautiful Brompton miniature, or miniature Brompton. And it's so neat, so cute. It folds it. Check it out. So neat, see it? But every time that I pass by, the handlebar is dropped like this. So today, what I'm gonna do is glue it. Oh, and sometimes, yes, the petals go out. So I'm just gonna put some glue on it. And I'm gonna show you how to mount it, how it gets to you, because it comes in this little beautiful Brompton box. Let me show you. This here, check it out. Isn't that cool? Look, it comes in a Brompton box. Yeah, with the side up and everything. Hey, so cute. Oh, wrong way. Check it out. Wrong way. Everything that's written in my Brompton box, it's written here. So cool. I love it. She got it in AliExpress. So the link's down in the video description if you want one. They have all different colors and it's cute. But this handlebar always drop. And so neat. And folds it. And also, I think it does, yes, it does fold like this. Let me show you. Let's do it together. So cute, so cute, so cute. Last week, I done a video about bike insurance and the importance, of choosing a very nice broker to help you choose the best bike insurance for you. Because I have an accident. And if you're curious, yeah, it's done. It's gone already. When you have a cut, if you put some alcohol, it heals faster. I don't know why. There must be an explanation. But let's go back to this video. Because of that video, my Brompton, the little one, was right next to the other bicycle. And I got some questions about it, the miniature. And it's so cute. I want to make a video for such a long time about it, but I didn't have an excuse. Some words are harder. Now I do. I got some questions, and my handlebar keeps going down. So we're gonna glue it. Some little parts. I'm gonna show you how to put it together, and gonna put some I got a very simple glue, a very light glue because it's plastic and it's just, just so it won't go out. This, it's how it comes in the little box, in the little Brompton box. And so cool. I love it. Let me show you. So that's how it comes. It comes in a little box, a beautiful box. I know I'm talking too much about the box, but it's so cute. This way up, wrong way up. You open and all little pieces. Check it out. Yeah, that's how it comes. So you put it down. Be careful so you won't lose anything. And let's start putting it together. Well, first, what I usually do when I'm gonna put something together, I separate them, in a way that I will understand. This here, it's the front. See, this one I have mud guards. My miniature Brompton has mud guards. Yeah, I know. A lot of people ask me, why don't I have mud guards? And this, because this doesn't come like this. It comes separate. And it does fold, which is so cool. Check it out. I'm always afraid to break it, but check it. See, it does fold. And here also folds. See, it's just like the original Brompton. It does fold, and we're gonna put it all together, then I'm gonna fold it for you to see it, okay? And then we're gonna glue it. So, if you look at it, this here is a lot larger than this hole here.
And we need a larger space to wheel in. So this one goes on the rear wheel. Yes, when you mount these together, you have to check a little things. Another thing they have to pay attention to is when you mount this turn, it goes here, okay? This part is towards the front. So little things like that you have to pay attention. I want to glue this here and this here, and the pedals. Okay, let's do it. This is one. It's a very simple video, it's just that I got some questions about the glue.
Very nice Brompton with lower handlebars. Okay, so, and let's fold it. You just fold it here, open very carefully here, and then you fold it here. I really like it. Okay, let's fix it because it gets me very sad every time that I pass by and the handlebar is down. I know I unfold my Brompton a lot faster than this little one. Okay, let's get just a little bit.
Now hold it for a while.
Okay, that's done. Now I'm getting the pedals because the pedals also bothers me. Okay, my main problem is gone. Perfect. And you can fold it.
I fold it. That's why I'm not folding. That's why I'm not putting some glue on it because it won't fold on the right side. Okay, I know.
Oh, here is my miniature Brompton. It's so cute. I really like it. It's just a little thing. So here is all fixed. When I'll pass by, it won't be a problem anymore. The handlebar will be in the right place. And that will make me very happy. I know, very simple. I got some questions. B Griffin 317. Hope you did like it. You can have your own. Just click on the video description. Some words are harder. There's a link over there for this bike. They have all different miniature Brompton bikes, but this one I think so cool because it had the mud guard. You can fold it. It has exactly the gear, you know, can you see it? In the right place. You can fold it and oh, it's neat. It goes down. So if you did like the bike, thumbs up. If you did like the video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Be part of it. And they have these special thanks. Yes, if you like any tips that I gave you, or I don't know, if you have to support the channel, give a special thanks. I hope you did like it. Okay, so let me put my bike back to its place. I love it. Bye-bye.